don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In the lesson of today, we are going to learn how to fix a problem. The problem is why cursor disappear or does not work on VirtualBox. As you can see, this is my cursor. When I cross it over VirtualBox, it does not work. It disappear. How can we solve this problem? Actually, solving this problem follows 5 steps. The step number 1 is to power off VirtualBox. Then after, the second step is click on setting. Third step, click on system. Fourth step, on pointing device, choose PC to mouse. Then click OK. After that, start your visual machine. Yes, let's wait for our visual machine to power on so that we can see if we have successfully solved our problem, right? Yes, our VirtualBox is on. Right now you can see mouse cursor is moving on VirtualBox. When I cross on VirtualBox, it does not disappear. It occur, means that right now mouse is working. So actually, that is an end of our lesson of today on how to fix a problem which states that why mouse cursor or pointer disappear when I move it over a VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. Actually, that is an end of our tutorial. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. Goodbye. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.